Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we start, there's a giveaway. One of the watches in this video is going to one of you. The rules? They're inside this video, so watch carefully, don't skip, because one moment in this video actually matters. Alright, let's go. Today's video is not just an unboxing, it's a breakdown. And if you're even a little bit into watches, this is going to be interesting. Let's see how many Orients we got. Also, Seiko, Amphibia, and other models. I'll show you everything. And yeah, some of these will be listed on eBay soon. Look at this. Orient, multi-calendars, vintage 80s, different colors. But color doesn't matter that much. What really matters is the dial condition and originality. Quick note, Orient is one of the few brands that actually makes its own movements. At this price point, that's rare. That's why people buy them. Wait, this is where most people get it wrong. Orient College. Look closely at the shades. They're different. That's not damage, that's patina. Important detail. Even clean patina can increase value. But spots, damage, uneven aging, that kills it. That's a big difference. Now 3-star. You can find rare variations inside it. And here's the trap. Beginners think mass-produced equals cheap, but the market doesn't work like that. Rare versions inside common models, that's where the money is. There are some aftermarket dials, but most are original, and that's critical. Short version, original dial is always worth more, even if it's not perfect. All these Orients will be for sale, but gradually. If you see something you like, just comment. I'll list it faster. Moving on. Orient President, skeleton, quartz, divers. Skeleton is not just cool looking, it shows the movement. That's why people buy them, not for the brand, for the mechanics. Now Seiko, vintage divers, chronographs. Very important. Seiko has been making its own movements for decades. That's why their vintage pieces sell consistently. And yeah, Seiko basically started the quartz revolution. After that, half the industry disappeared. Now Citizen. A lot of people underestimate them. That's a mistake. Citizen is one of the leaders in technology. Solar, quartz, accuracy. That's why people buy them as everyday watches. Wait, this is where it gets interesting. Amphibia. Look closely. This is not just a watch, it's engineering. Amphibia is designed so that under pressure, the case actually seals tighter. But, very important, if the watch was opened before, no one can guarantee water resistance anymore. That's critical. Most of these are in good condition. Some need a bezel. That's normal. Komandirski, vintage. Fact, these were originally made for military officers. Now, they're collectible. Raketa, multi-calendars, some with really nice patina. And here's the nuance. Patina can increase value or destroy it. Depends how even it is. Poljot signal from the 60s. With an alarm. Yes, it actually rings. And that's rare. Now imported pieces, 2 Omegas, already at the watchmaker. And honestly, from all the luxury ones, only Omega is original. Rolex, replicas. Longines, replica. Patek, replica. And that's normal. That's the market. You just need to understand what you're buying. If you like something, just comment. And now, the most interesting part. Don't skip this. Hand-painted dials. Look carefully. Every single one is different. No duplicates, not factory-made. Hand-painted. And here's the key point. These are not just rare, they're one of one. Which means no market price, no average value, only demand. And this is where the game starts. I found the owner of this collection, around 200 dials, and I'm negotiating right now. He wants about $50 per dial, but I think I can get it lower. So here's your chance. Comment, what price per dial will I agree on? Closest answer wins one watch from this collection. Look at these. UFO, space, pinup, ocean themes. This is not about watches anymore. It's about emotion. You're not wearing a brand. You're wearing a story. Now be honest, would you wear this or keep it in a collection? Comment and send this video to a friend. Let's see if they notice the value. If you like something, let me know. Subscribe, more finds coming. And don't forget the giveaway. Your guess is your chance. See you soon.